Now, I don't do drugs, though. Just weed.
Logan Paul has done it, guys. This is the first photo here. The first photo of Logan Paul smoking weed. This his most famous incident. He was high.
I've got a date with Mary Jane.
He was high off of an illegal drug called weed. Logan Paul has turned to the dark side. He's now become a drug addict. This is a recent photo of his foot next to some accessories that are used for smoking weed. He's in front of a grinder and a bowl, and these are accessories used for smoking weed. He is an addict. He needs to go to rehab. Now, this photo was only taken 2 days before he turned to harder drugs. Look at this photo. This is proof. I have undeniable proof that Logan Paul is addicted to crack cocaine. He's gone beyond crack, guys. He's already on to crack cocaine. And once you go crack, you ain't never go back. Please subscribe and smash that like button so that Logan Paul can see this video and get him some rehab and quit smoking weed.
My father's a drug dealer.
Wow, that must have been a shit.
It ruined his life.
That must have been shitty.